Are you a small agency or reseller wanting to expand your services into pay-per-click advertising or PPC advertising? The benefits of PPC include delivering new traffic, phone calls, customer leads, and most importantly, immediate results to your clients. No more waiting 3 months like you do with SEO. The problem with Google Ads are complicated. Most agencies or resellers don't have the staff or don't think they have the resources to get it done, but you do. We at TheHOTH believe that PPC services are an awesome and vital addition to your product line. We created this series to show you just how easy it is to become a HOTH PPC reseller. Only thing you'll have to do is maybe try to identify a couple PPC opportunities for your clients. We'll go over that later. But other than that, we'll do all the hard work behind the scenes for you and your clients. Gaining that reputation for being able to set up an effective paid advertising campaign for your clients will attract even more clients for your business. But before we embark on this partnership, let's cover a few basics about how PPC really works so you'll be ready to explain it to your clients. And we'll leave all the marketing jargon out of this and keep this simple. Check out the videos in this series and you'll be able to confidently sell PPC services to your clients and start doubling your revenue. Have more questions about reselling PPC? Book a call with us, we welcome it. There's going to be a link in the bottom and feel free to click on that and schedule with, well, yours truly.